Namaste, welcome to Arthaniti, where we discuss money and money matters to help you in your investing decisions. In the heart of India's economic engine stands a titan of the industry at its crossroads. Maruti Suzuki, which put India on wheels, is facing its greatest challenge yet. As the auto sector shifts towards an electric future, will this giant adapt and thrive, or will it be left in the dust of progress? Today, let us dive deep into the present and future of Maruti Suzuki. I bet this is a ride that you do not want to miss. Maruti Suzuki, India's automotive powerhouse, has seen its stock rise by nearly 3% in the last 1 month, making it a topic of discussion nationwide. But what is driving this upward trend in the stock prices? Let us break down. Firstly, let us look at numbers that are turning heads. Maruti reported a staggering 10% increase on year sales or total sales for November 2024. The figures for November 2024 stood at 1,81,000 plus units sold compared to 1,64,000 plus units sold in November 2023. Now, this is not just slow growth, it is full fledged acceleration. And here are some interesting details. Utility vehicle sales, including its popular models like Brezza and Grand Vitara, skyrocketed to 59,000 units, a massive jump from 49,000 units last year. However, the compact car sales, the bread and butter of Maruti as we call it, fell by 5.1% to 61,000 odd units. What does this tell you? It clearly tells you a shift in customers' tastes, and Maruti is racing to keep up with it. Let us look at the export figures. Maruti shipped out 28,600 odd units in November 2024 compared to 22,900 odd units in November 2023. Now, this clearly is a sign of Maruti's global ambitions. But don't get too excited. Let's put in some breaks and look at the bigger picture. Despite these impressive sales figures, net profit of Maruti declined by a whooping 18% in the second quarter of financial year 2025. So, what was the reason for this reduction in profit? A deferred tax liability. Yes, this contrast between booming sales and shrinking profits is a puzzle that investors need to solve. Let's do a quick SWOT analysis of Maruti Suzuki. Let us first look at its strengths. Maruti is the undisputed leader of the auto sector in India. Secondly, the large array of cars that Maruti has in its lineup, ranging from entry level to premium cars. Thirdly, the brand equity that Maruti Suzuki enjoys is envy of many players in the industry. And last but not the least, the cost efficiency allows Maruti Suzuki in competitive pricing. Secondly, what are the weaknesses? Well, it is a late entrant into the electric vehicle party. It is over dependent on the Indian market. And thirdly, it has limited presence in the luxury car segment. What are the opportunities? Well, the booming compact SUV car segment, untapped potential in rural India, inevitable electric revolution, and furthering its global goals, the international market, which it has till date not tapped. What are the threats? Firstly, fierce competition from domestic as well as international players, regulatory changes that could drive up cost. Thirdly, economic volatility that could affect consumer spending. And fourthly, potential labor issues that could disrupt its production cycles. But let us not just focus on Maruti Suzuki. The entire automotive sector is experiencing a seismic change. Electric automotives are not a part of the future, they are the present. Maruti's plan to launch its first electric vehicle in 2025 shows a measured approach. But is it too cautious? Is it too late? And last but not the least, let us not forget the elephant in the room, Musk in the Indian markets. Can the entry of Elon Musk in India revolutionize the EV market in the country? Is Maruti equipped enough to face these challenges? That is the question. So, at this level, in these scenarios, is Maruti a buy at current levels? Consider this: Maruti's performance is often a barometer of India's economic health. If it is able to transition into the EV space, take advantage of the SUV boom, and expand in global markets, how it does all this is very crucial. The upcoming RBI meeting coming Friday is also going to prove pivotal to Maruti's story. If RBI decides to ease its stance, it is going to boost consumer spending and auto financing, which is going to be a big boost for Maruti and its shares. Finally, Maruti Suzuki is at a pivotal moment. Its strong market position and brand equity provides a solid foundation, but its future success depends on how it is able to innovate and respond to the rapidly changing automotive landscape. As we close this analysis, remember, in the world of investing, foresight is your most valuable asset. Maruti Suzuki's journey from here on is a testament of its adaptability and vision. Will it continue to lead India, or will other players overtake it on the electric highway? Only time will tell. But one thing is for certain: the Maruti story is for every investor to watch closely. So we sign off here. If you find this analysis informative and educative, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. The aim of putting these videos is to help you in your investing decisions. Until next time, stay safe. Goodbye.